Very good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Friends, here you can see these are the walk-in interviews from Hetero for their Unit 5 Judge. The venue details: Hotel Smart City in plot number 10, 11, 2021, Padmavati, Green City. So here you can see department wise vacancies. Production, they are looking for 2 to 7 years of experienced candidate, operator or senior operator, ITI Diploma or B.Sc, compression, granulation, coating and capsule filling. Next is production packing, ITI or Diploma or B.Sc, operator or senior operator. Next, production packing, B.Pharm, 2 to 7 years, officer or junior executive, stores, B.Sc, 0 to 5 years, junior officer or officer. The role is dispensing. The academic documents, pay slips, appointment letters, and ID proof along with the photo. So you need to carry for the interview. So you can scan the QR code also. So and the interview date is 11th June, 9 a.m. onwards at the interview venue until 2 p.m. So these are the details, my dear friends. So if you wish to apply for these job opportunities, please attend on the specified date and the specified time at the correct venue mentioned here on the screen. Thank you. So for job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. See you in the next video, my dear friends. Hope you found the information useful.